Hello and welcome to this Python tutorial series. We are studying list data structure and this is our 11th video. In this video we will see how append method adds an object to the end of the list. So when you create a list object is created. Methods of creating a list object is equal to, if you write a list in front of it, then the empty object will be created. If you print the value of s, you will see a list is created which contains a value which is empty. And if you want to run the append method on this list, first we would take the information about the append method. What you have to do is s.append, in front of it write question mark and press shift enter. It will show information regarding the append method. What is the signature? s.append object. And what does it do? It appends the object to the end of the list. What is the type? It is a built-in function or a method. For example, if you want to add some various object to list s, so s.append, in the first case I am adding an integer literal to the list. Therefore s.append 1 is appended to the list. We print the value of s control enter, it will print the value of s. It contains 1. Now we try to append a string to the list. What we will do, s.append, and in opening and closing parenthesis give the string. For example, in this case we are appending Python. Therefore, okay, typo append append Python control enter. Now to the same list, what is appended? Python is appended. If we print the value of s1 Python, if we want to append a floating point value, so the function will be s.append and we will pass a floating point value 2.5. We print the value of s and we will see at the output 2.5 is appended. So we have added an integer, we have added a string, we have added a floating point number to a string. Let's see whether it appends a tuple or not. First we create a tuple object. T is equal to, in opening and closing parenthesis, 10, 20. We check the type of T, type T, and run the cell. You can see it is a tuple. Now we want to add this tuple T to list as s.append and we pass the object as T. Cell has executed successfully. Print the value of s. We will see 1 Python 2.5 and a tuple 1020 is added. Means you can add a sublist to a list also. Suppose for example ss means string sublist is equal to, it contains two value 1, 2. Click on the cell, run the cell. ss is created. s.append, where s is the original list and we are passing a object ss. Click on the cell, run the cell and print the value of s. You can see after the tuple a sublist is appended. That means you can add any type of object to the end of the list using the append method. That's it for the today's video. Do hit the subscribe button if you like the content. See you in the next video.